Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Toyota Tacoma. This two-door, three-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and air conditioning. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.